bladder infection. You have a doctor's appointment. You're waiting for a plumber/repairman. Your sister/best friend is going into labor. You have terrible cramps. Your pet is sick. Your fiance called off your wedding. Someone tried to rob you during the night. You have lice. Mental Health Day. Your car was repossessed. You're meeting with a client because you earned it. You have family in town. The roads around your house are closed due to weather. Emergency dental repair. You have a crazy migraine. Your car broke down. You locked your keys in your car. You're selected for jury duty. You're moving. There was a death in the family. You have a bad case of food poisoning. You're sick.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.